Here's a quick and easy craft that you might just need. Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel, friends. Thank you so much for being here today. I truly appreciate it. Very quick craft. That's what we're doing today. But it's one of those crafts that you might find yourself needing, and you'll be able to make 2 of these from one sheet of 12 by 12. Here's what I'm talking about. We are going to make the most adorable little mini bags. Very easy to make. I'm going to flip to my overhead camera to give you a closer look at these. But y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. All right, so every now and then we need a little something in a hurry. And this is that little something that you might just need, because we're going to make these super sweet and oh so easy to make little bags. Like I said, you can get 2 of these from one 12 by 12 inch sheet. When finished, they are 4 1/4 by 2 7/8 by 2 7/8. Nice, roomy little bags, and we're not using that much adhesive, so this just comes off, and I'm holding everything together with these little clips, and you can see on the inside how much room you actually have. So if you want to give someone a little something, you can. You can even put a little gift card in here. You can share your seeds with someone by placing them in here. It all depends on what you want to do with these, but I thought that they were so cute, and I thought that you might enjoy adding these to the crafts that you can make when you are in a hurry and need something quick. So let's go ahead and do it. So I have this sheet of 12 by 12, and I'm going to go ahead and score the whole sheet. So we're going to score every 2 7/8 of an inch. So I'll score at 2 7/8, at 5 3/4, at 8 5/8, and at 11 1/2. Then I'm going to take this, turn it once, and we're going to cut it at 6. Now we have 2 pre-scored sheets to be able to make 2 bags. We're only going to make 1 for this video, but we're going to take this, and on that 6-inch side, we're going to score at 1 3/4 of an inch. Then let's fold and burnish all of our scores. This really is some easy peasy paper crafting, but it's that paper crafting that you need from time to time, especially when you need something in a hurry. You might want to say thank you to your neighbor or coworker or a friend, and you can make this little bag and just fill it with a little something. So now that we have all of our scores burnished, we have this flap here. This is our adhesive flap. There's going to be a corner piece. Let's go ahead and get rid of it. And then we're going to go along the bottom. Everywhere we have a score, we're going to angle cut on both sides of that score to remove that piece. And then your piece is going to look like this. We're going to take some tape and add some tape. So I am just going to take my narrow tape, which is a 1/4 inch, place it there, and cut. Then I'll use my 1/2 inch tape here, and I'm going to just add a strip right here and a strip right here. Then on these 2, I'm going to flip it over and add tape to them. So let's just flip over and add some tape. Get all of my tape pieces nice and stuck. Now I'll take away the backer from there. And we're going to put our bag together. Let's just place it together like this. And place it down. And you can see that we have a nice flat fold bag. So you can make these up and have them available whenever you might need a little something. So I'm going to peel away my tape backers from all remaining pieces. So now we can put it together. And wherever you have the seam where you join the two sides together, that is the back of your box. So I'm just going to take this side, fold it in, fold that side over, and this is the front of my box. So I am going to fold this over and fold this over to get my box. Now I'll just go in. We'll get everything nice and stuck. Then I'm going to take this and just pinch it. And I'll go in at the bottom and just pinch in at the bottom as well. And now we have that nice look. Now I'm going to bring in some scrap, y'all, and we're almost finished with our bag. So I'm going to cut a piece that is 3 inches by 2 7/8. And on the 3-inch side, I'm going to score this at 1 1/2. And then I'll fold and burnish that 1 1/2-inch score. Then I have this piece from the paper pack, and I'm just cutting apart one of these little seed things. I have a clip, so now I can take this, put it on top, take this, put it there, and we can clip it. Y'all, that's how easy it is to get this sweet little bag. Now I have 3 of them, but like I said, you can make 2 of these from 112 by 12. So if you're planning a little something with your girlfriends or the family, go ahead and make up some of these. You don't need much in the way of supplies to be able to make these sweet little bags. And I closed mine with a clip, but you can actually tape or glue this down to seal your bag if you want. So wasn't that fun, quick, and easy? I think it was, and I hope that you have enjoyed today's super simple video. If you have, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, all day, every day, y'all, this is what we do, and this is how we do it, and I would love to have you subscribe. So hit the subscribe button, make sure you hit the notification bell so that you will know when I upload a new video. As always, my beautiful crafty friends, please be safe, be kind, and be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.